So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Printify to your Shopify account. So first of all, go to Printify. You can see here it says Printify the company. Click on that. You can see here Printify build your e-commerce business in minutes. Open that. From there you can get started for free. You can log in. Just make sure that you have access to your account. From there you will just need to go to the option My Stores. So through here you can see some services once you log in. So through there you can see the option My Store. And once you set up your stores looking something like this, you can just go to integration. And through the integration button, you can add your Shopify store through Printify. You can also go to your Shopify account. And on there, you'll just need to go to your online store and you can then see if it's connected. And you can through there go ahead and on the settings page paste your domain to your Printify store so you can have a connected e-commerce. So through here you can go to domains and you can just swipe and copy this domain to your Shopify store through there. So that's about it. That's how you can actually connect the two. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.